Hello, I hope everyone's doing well today. We're going to be talking about how can we, as drivers, protect pedestrians on the roadways. Pedestrians are actually the least protected travelers on the roadways, obviously because they don't have a vehicle to protect them, or even if they're on a motorcycle, a helmet, or riding gear, or even a bicycle on a helmet. And also we tend to see statistically more often that pedestrians are children and even senior citizens who are also just more fragile in their existence. So the first thing you can do to protect a pedestrian while you're driving a vehicle is to minimize your in-car distractions. If you've got little Chase here hopping around in the front seat and you're worried about him knocking over your Coke or knocking your purse over or whatever it may be, and he's distracting you from keeping your eyes on the road, then you need to make sure you have him buckled down or whatever you need to do to keep him in place so that you can minimize your distractions in the car. The second way that we can protect pedestrians is to minimize attention to out-of-car distractions. How cool it is if this jet flies by while you're driving down the road, you've got your eyes up on the jet, and then all of a sudden the person walks out in front of your car and you run them over because you're looking at the jet, not looking in front of you. Another way that we can protect pedestrians is to keep our mind on the road. Sometimes we're in the car and we have all kinds of distractions, sounds, kids screaming, a radio going, whatever it may be. It's your responsibility as a driver to be able to drown out those distractions, keep your eyes on the road, your hands on the wheel, and your brain on the drive. Another way we can protect pedestrians is to be prepared to stop. Be prepared, have your foot ready to go on the brake so that if a pedestrian does stop out in front of you, you'll have the maximum stop time available to avoid hitting them. Also, another thing you can do is always keep your hand ready to beep on that horn so that if a pedestrian does step out in front of your vehicle, you can give them as much notification as possible that, hey, there's a car coming your way. Again, as drivers, we are responsible to keep our eyes out for these less protected travelers so that we can try to keep them safe and keep ourselves safe. Thank you.